future makers, welcome to Teacherpreneur. It is said that the window to the world can be covered just in a newspaper. A newspaper is not only for reporting the news as it is, but it is to make the people mad enough about what is reported in the newspaper. A newspaper teaches the reader to think about what he does not know and know what he does not understand. So basically, if you haven't guessed it already, today's video is about why should teachers read newspapers. We've already made a video on why should teachers read books. You would get that video here or in the description box below. Before we start today's video, we have a few points to clear. The first thing is that never start your day with reading a newspaper, because if you read something negative or something that really bothers your mind, it will keep on going in your head for the entire day, which is not what we are looking at. So if you really want to read the newspaper, read it somewhere in the middle of your day. Point number 2. People always confuse what they read in the newspaper as news. Not everything that is printed in the newspaper is news. Bollywood masala is not news. A particular column that's offensive is not news. So make sure you know what you read. Point number 3 is that you don't necessarily have to have a physical newspaper with you and take it along with you wherever you're going. InShorts app in the cell phone is a very useful app where you get all the news in summarized forms, where you quickly go through all the things that are happening around you. The next important point is that our media has a habit of highlighting all the negative news first. So in case you're looking out for something that's really positive and something that's really inspiring, the Better India is an amazing website that you can check out. I'll leave a link to the InShorts app and the Better India website in the description box below. Now that you know all the cautions, we could directly jump into the video, but before that I would like to tell you, if you don't read the newspaper, you are uninformed. But if you read it wrong, you are misinformed. Make sure that you are informed, neither uninformed nor misinformed. Now, just let's get started. Reason why you should read a newspaper is to enrich your knowledge. By reading the newspaper, you get to know general knowledge, the updates of what is going on around you and what's happening in the world. You could also read newspapers to know more about the subject that you are teaching and keep your class and the students informed about what is happening around the world. The second reason why you should read a newspaper is that while reading the newspaper, you can come across a few situations which you could use as an example or as a reference while teaching in the classroom. For example, if there is any article regarding RBI, you could use it in your economics class and inform the students about what's happening around you. The third reason why you should read a newspaper is because it improves your conversational and communication skills. If you go through someone's interview and it is in the Q&A format, you will know how to converse with someone, what words to use and what words to ignore, and it will really help you while you are talking with somebody or guiding your students in the question-answer format. The fourth reason why you should read newspapers is for motivation and inspiration. We usually come across many articles that are on how somebody has improved their life despite of the situation that he or she was in. We could read that, get inspired, and also take the cutout of the article to our class and make them read it aloud so that even they can learn more from it and get inspired and motivated to do something bigger in life. The fifth reason why we should read newspapers is because it widens our outlook. Whatever situations are happening around us in the world. For example, take this COVID and lockdown situation. There are negative news about it, about the deaths that are happening, about the cases that are increasing. But there is always a positive side to whatever happens. There are also positive articles in the newspaper about how the nature is replenishing itself, how people are happier in life now, and there are always two sides of a coin. So in that manner, if you actually look at both the sides, your outlook is widened and you get better strength to deal with the situation that's happening around you. The sixth reason why you should read newspapers is because it will improve your storytelling techniques. The story section is my favorite section in the newspaper. I usually make it a point to read stories in the newspaper and then only shut the newspaper of the day. That's because I love how they keep on changing the patterns of story writing, and I usually use it while telling stories to my students. And believe me, it really helps. The students are amazed if your storytelling technique is wonderful, and they will be engrossed in the entire class if you really go through that technique. The seventh reason why you should read newspapers is because you could always take newspaper as a reference and give your homeworks and projects related to newspapers. This will inculcate the habit of reading newspaper in your students as well, and they will definitely thank you in the future for making them read newspapers right at a very young age. The eighth reason why you should read newspapers is because it gives you maximum information. It gives you information not only about one sector but about everything that's happening. May it be economy, may it be about the superstars, may it be about the famous personalities, may it be about the disasters happening in the country, and also about what's happening in the life around us. The ninth reason why you should read newspapers is because it enhances your problem solving skills. That section in the newspaper where you have Sudoku, Unscramble, and all those games really help us in enhancing our problem solving skills. The 10th reason why you should read newspapers is because it definitely improves your English, or any language for that matter. You could read any newspaper. If you're trying to learn English, make sure you read an English newspaper. What will happen is it will increase your vocabulary, you will get to learn a lot of new spellings which you never knew before, and your grammar will be improved. These three are just a few points to name. You can have n number of benefits if you read a newspaper. The last point why we should read newspapers is because it enhances our critical thinking. We get to learn the perspective of everybody. In particular, if something has happened politically, we get to know the perspective of the ruling party, the opposition party, and the viewpoints of everybody on that. This will help us know things from everybody's perspective and then react accordingly. We can sympathize and empathize with them and form a concrete opinion about what is happening around us for sure. This brings us to the end of the video, but before I finish the video, I would only like to say, don't just read newspapers about other people's success. Make sure that one day people read newspapers due to your success. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us if you read newspapers daily or you're about to start from today. Share this with maximum teacher friends and subscribe to Teacherpreneur for more such videos. See you soon.